What up, guys? It's like pretty early in the season for me. What do we got here? March 22nd, 2 days after the first day of spring. Getting my first look at the lawn. And look at all this gross stuff everywhere. I've got rocks everywhere. I've got snow mold that needs to get taken care of. Look at this. So if you don't manage this, okay, that will kill. See this? This needs to get taken care of. Even if you just go like this, okay? That'll do serious damage. That's snow mold. See that? Look at this. Look at that snow mold. It's just weird. It's like kind of like cobwebs. It's very, very strange. My biggest concern are these snow mold patches. You can kind of see them everywhere. Like this, okay? You gotta rake these. Gotta get out here and rake these. You need to get the snow blower or the blower out. Remember the snowplow damage from last year? No. Look at the damage the plow did, okay? You can see all that damage right there, and all this sod got torn up. Holy crap, it's way worse than I thought it was. Look at that. That's a straight up ledge right there. Maybe I should try to grab the sod and put it back in place there. That's just a straight up a pisser offer right there. So I should probably get out Rick the roller and roll it. Flatten it down right there. Oh my gosh, that's freaking sucks. Look, here's some more snowplow damage from this year. I guess the first things are first. I need to get out here with the backpack blower and clean all this crap up. It's just nasty. Look at all this snow, okay? Damage here from the skid steer and all this sod everywhere. Damage, skid steer damage. Somebody gets in the skid steer, me or Sister Ward, get in there and just start doing work. I don't know. So all this crap needs to get blown out of here. So I'm gonna go get the blower and do a blow job on the lawn. That's gonna be the first thing. Look at this. See all this? Look at that. If you leave that like that, that's a bad deal there. Look how much water there is, okay? See that? See that? Skid steer damage. Right there. What skid steer, Brother Ward? That skid steer. I have so much cleanup to do, okay? Rebar stakes from the dahlias. We got dahlia beds to prep. This needs to get filled in with dirt. Got a huge low spot there. There's just so much cleanup to be done in the lawn. Look at all this deer poo everywhere here. There's lots of deer poo, lots of snow. It's a freaking mess. Got this 3-inch pipe for free. I don't know. So that skid steer has a blown head gasket. I gotta tear it apart. I took off the coupler there because it had tons of play. Need to fix that. Gotta fix the head gasket. Thinking about just pulling the motor all the way around and getting it rebuilt. It's got like 5,700 hours on the motor, so it's like, man, just pull the motor and get it rebuilt. Oh my gosh, I got freaking crap everywhere. Weeds, just garbage. So much garbage everywhere. So in here, I've got my dahlias that need assistance. I'm waiting for some sprouts and eyes to form. So I need this blower, okay? I need this blower. Blow, blow, blow. Get the blower, fill it full of 2-stroke 2-stroke mixed gas. Be like, you can't fill up your machines on the lawn. Well, look at all this snow still, okay? So this is, what do we got here? Like March 22nd. Lots of snow still. Look at that. Rocks. Okay, big rocks. Hey! Lots and lots to do. Oh man, the amount of stuff I've done since we've last talked is a lot. Since we last talked, I got a boat, a Mastercraft boat behind me. I got this blower. Put some fuel in there. Fuel her up, Charlie. I got a problem with my dirt bike. Here we go. I went to Mexico since we last talked. See this? They throw out one of those stupid traffic lights for this crap. At least they could have one of those guides like this, you know, turning the sign, leaning on a shovel. Come on. Ride my dirt bike in Baja, California. I don't know. Just done a lot of freaking crap. And I gotta clean up this mess. Clean up the mess you made. So put that sucker on choke. Haven't used this for probably 6 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn the choke on and then pull that sucker. Broke my shoulder. I'm about 6 months into recovery. Surgery. This blower is awesome, guys. This is what you call the BR800 Charlie. It's a fantastic blower. See all the skid steer damage through here? I'm hoping this just comes back to life. There's all the sod that really could get thrown back on here, but I don't know. It's just like we got people that live in this house that just don't seem to care about anything. So they just throw crap. And I would be included in that. All right. I'm gonna put my ear protection on. Oh, I must have gained weight. That does not fit anymore. There we go. All right, so I gotta clean up this crap. All this crap here is snowplow damage or brought in by the snowplow. Snow comes through here and it gets pushed up on the lawn and it's just nasty. There's a lot of snow here. Been out here for probably an hour just using this blower, blowing off all the crap, and there was a lot over there on the other side of the walkway. And there's still a lot to be done once all the snow melts, but holy moly. My camera died on me, so I'm using my phone to record, but I just finished the mow or the blow Oh, what's that light? Is that the moon? Oh no, that's the street light. Still a lot to do. That's a lot of work. You just need to get out there. I mean, if you're in my situation, you've got a rake, you've got a power rake before the snow mold really kind of sets in. But that's pretty well the first look at the lawn for 24. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.